Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. So start with one of your craft caramels. I'm using a little silicone mat, and then I just want to squish that out. I've got my little cutter. I just want to make sure that it's just slightly larger than my cutter. And then I'm just going to push down, and all of the extra leftover caramel, you can just simply take that and then just roll it up and make more of these. So we've got the first portion, and then I'm going to grab my little inner tube here and just cut it just like that, and then just gently pull it off. So I have my tempered chocolate all ready to go, and I've done a few cutouts here so you can see how nice those are. So I'm just basically going to get those right into my dark chocolate and then just bring it out. Nice tap to get all of that chocolate off. And then onto your mat. So this is about 5 minutes later. I have finished these up, so I'm going to let them completely set up, firm up, and then we'll come back and we'll do the next step. I am using a green royal icing. So I have put a little tip on here. This is the Wilton 352 tip. It is a leaf tip. And then I'm just going to slowly start adding in little leaves. So a little bit of a push, and then just pull down. Push, and then pull down. So just push and then pull down, just like that. That looks pretty cute. We'll just let those dry, and then we're going to finish them off with a little bit of red royal icing and just create a little bit of a bow. For our last step, I have some more royal icing, which I have colored with AMERICOLor. This color here is called Super Red. If you can find that, that is the best red that you can use. Really amazing color on that. And then I'm just going to build a little bow. And I am not very artistic, so I am going to do this the best way that I can, and you'll do a better job at home. So I'm just making a big X, and this is a little bit less fluid. I made this a little bit more firm so that it wouldn't run too much, and hopefully it looks okay. It doesn't take very long to dry up. I think I'm going to make the bow a little bit bigger. How's that? Pretty good, I think. That bow really starts to bring it out. That looks good. The other thing that you can do, clean off your tip, go straight down, and just put little dots. I'm going to start here. Any which way you want to go. I'm going to go out and then come in. So a triangle, and then next triangle here. Just like that. I love this red. We'll do a little bit of a little dots along here for our little berries. Just like that. You don't want to overdo it. Look at that. Here's another way to do it. I have loaded the green up, so we're going to do the leaves again. This is a Wilton 2, but it's a circular tip. So if you don't have the leaf tip, you can still do this. So you're going to bring your tip right down, squeeze it, and then pull away. So you want to make a little ball, push, and then pull. Squeeze and pull. So I'm just going to let this set up for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to finish it off with the little red bow. So I've just finished off the two last wreaths. I added the little red bows and the little berries. And you can see that this one here is using the Wilton number 2 tip, so that is the circular tip, and then this here is using the Wilton leaf tip. So these are all leaves here, and these two here are with the little circular tip. So that's it for another really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.